This video you're going to learn really cute two-balloon horse and or, as you can tell, unicorn. Goes either way, and I'll show you how you can make it either way, because really the only difference in a horse and a unicorn is the horn, and as you can see it's not terribly complicated. So grab your balloons, grab your pump, get ready to have some fun. For our quick and easy little two-balloon unicorn, we've got two balloons. The first one is a 260. I've chosen pink, and I've inflated with about 1.5 hands uninflated on the end. What we're going to do is we're going to start on the end. We're going to make two small round bubbles here on the nozzle end. Grab the knot, twist it around, just spin those bubbles around, that'll twist it in. And then grab the two bubbles, push the middle in, and make them both into pinch twists by twisting one of them around several times. So you've got a pair of pinch twists on the end of there. And you can make about a 3.5 finger bubble, followed by two, about 3, slightly smaller than the first one, 3 finger bubbles there. Bring those in. There's our horse's head. Now we're going to come and make about a 4 finger bubble for the neck. Then we're going to make a small round bubble. I'm going to make that a pinch twist. And you're going to make two about 4 finger bubbles for the front legs. Twist those together into that pinch twist like that. There's the front half of our horse or unicorn. I'll show you how we do that. It's really simple. Then you can make about a 4 finger bubble for the body. One more pinch twist. Should have just enough to get 2 4 finger bubbles with a little bit left over. Twist it back into the back end, and then I'm going to snip that extra off. Go ahead and tie it and tuck that away. So there is the first part of our horse, the body. Now we're going to take our 160, and I've inflated it, leaving about a hand width or so left uninflated on the end of it. Now, if you want to make a horse, you just start by twisting the end of the 160 into the base of the ears here. It would just twist in right there, and you go right into the mane. To make it a unicorn, all you have to do is add a horn. So what you do is I'm going to twist about a 3 or 4 finger bubble on the end of the 160, and then where that's twisted, twist that into the ears, and there you have a quick and easy horn. Now for the mane, you can do several different options. What I like to do for them on these guys is I'll make a string of pearls. Usually about 4 is about what I need for this particular guy. And then you're going to twist that into the pinch twist there at the front legs. And then I like to give them 2, so I'll make another one. So you do another string of pearls, 4 more of those. And you go back up to the top of the head, twist that into the ears, around the muzzle, several different times to make sure. Now we're going to pop the rest of this off, but keep it inflated. So when you pop it off, tie it, set it aside, and hang on to it. We'll come right back to that. I'm going to twist this several times, tuck it up into the ears. If I can talk, I suddenly can't talk. So there we have the head of our unicorn with a mane and a horn. Now for the tail, you've got a couple of options. If you want, you can just make it a single tail and make it however long you want. What I like to do is give it character. So I'm going to fold it over in half. Don't want it too long. So I'm going to go about 8 or 9 inches, twist off the end, pop the excess off, tie that. And then what you do is you're going to fold it back in half, and you're going to spiral this together. The easiest way that I found to do it, I'm right-handed, so I will grab where it was folded in my left hand. Then I'm going to take my right hand and just stick it up in between them, and then pull it with my left hand and twist it as I pull it through like that. There are a number of ways you can do that. Once you get to the ends of them, I'm going to twist the 2 nozzle ends together, and to make sure they stay, I go ahead and tie that, my finger back out, and then you're going to take that and twist that into the pinch twist on the back of our unicorn. Twist it around several times to make sure it'll stay. There we go. Then I give its tail a little bit of shape like that. And there you have a really cute two-balloon unicorn. Fast and easy. And there we have our two-balloon unicorn. Simple, easy, really cute, and as you can see, the 160 compared to the 260, the difference in size really helps make it cute, and it makes the mane, the horn, and the tail not nearly as bulky as if you'd use two 260s in this. So Keep having fun, stay twisted. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.